Do you want to boost your Amazon SEO and generate more organic sales? If so, I'm going to show you how to exactly do that in today's video by adding 5 backend search terms. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire and stay a millionaire on Amazon. If you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be giving you some pro tips on how to actually create these backend search terms. Let's dive in. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to access the backend search term. So you're just going to go to your inventory, manage inventory on Amazon, and you're simply going to click edit listing. Once you click edit listing, you're going to go to your product details. It's usually in your product details. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see generic keyword. Now it may be called backend search terms or search terms, but it's usually going to be here. And you can see that you can add more. These are backend search terms that the customer cannot see and Amazon uses to help you rank on Amazon organically. So you definitely want to stack these. You can use 250 characters per section. So this is 1 section, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So you can add 5 sections to this, and we want to add all 5 here. So that's pretty much what the backend search terms are. This is where you add the backend search terms. Again, the customers cannot see these backend search terms, so you can put Spanish backend search terms so you can show up and rank for Spanish keywords. You can put your competitor search terms. Just make sure you don't put actual trademarked words or else you could get in trouble. But other than that, you're pretty much good to go to implement. Now, for staying till the end of the video, of course, I'm going to be giving you a pro tip on how to actually create these and implement them into Amazon. Now, what you can do is find one of your top competitors. So this product is a female enhancement, and what I'm doing is I'm going to find a top competitor that has a better sales rank than me, or is generating more sales than me. Usually, if they're generating more sales, they're going to have a better sales rank. And here's a product right here. So if I click on this product, I can see the sales rank at the bottom. So I'm going to go to the bottom, and I can see the sales rank, and the sales rank is better than mine. They're ranked number 5 in the same category, and their overall broad category sales rank is better than mine. The lower the sales rank, the better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this ASIN and I'm going to go to Helium 10. This is a special Amazon tool. You're simply going to go to Tools, and then you're going to go to Cerebro and click on this. The tool is also in the description. Now you're going to put the ASIN here and click Get Keywords. After you do that, it's going to filter the keywords for you, and it's going to show you the keywords that it's using the most. So we can export this data. Here it is, word frequency, and it gives you a little spreadsheet. So here's all of the keywords that the competitor is pretty much ranking for the most, and the frequency it's ranking for. So it's ranking for this keyword like 838 times. So maybe female enhancement pills for woman, it's in there. Female woman pills, that's ranking number 2. So 838 times is quite a few. So we want to pretty much rank for these keywords. So we can put woman pills. I don't want to put the word sex in my backend keywords because it may cause Amazon to rank it as an adult product. So you have to be sure what you're putting in there, but we can put woman pills. Libido is usually okay. It's female supplements. Supplement and supplements are pretty much the same, so I'm not going to put the one with the S on the end. Viagra is a prescription pill, so make sure you don't put that in there. So you definitely want to read these, but we're kind of going through, and everything else looks pretty solid so far. So I'm going to copy these, and we're going to see how many keywords. Remember, it's only around 250 characters per. So you want to go to lettercount.com, and we're going to copy these, and we're going to paste these in. I'm going to see how many characters this is. 179. So we can get up to 250. Let's go back here. Let's add some more. So Ollie is a trademark. I don't think we would get in trouble for that, but I'm not going to add that one in. So I'm going to put this back. Put that in here, go back to letter count, and we're going to see how many letters it is now. Count letters, 281, so we're going to decrease them by a little bit, and now we're at 253, and now this is good. So we're at 244. So we're going to copy these, and these are some of the top we looked at one of their top competitors, and we're gonna put this on the back end keywords. And now when somebody types in one of these keywords, female enhancement pills for woman, now it's gonna help us rank for woman, right? We don't have to use long tail keywords for the back end. So now what we can also do is convert this to Spanish. So we can come back here and we can go English to Spanish, Google Translate, put these English keywords in, and now we can convert them to Spanish, so it can help us also rank for Spanish keywords. So in Spanish, it's a lot longer, and remember, it's only 250 letters per. So I'm gonna stop it right here, and I'm gonna copy these, and this is going to help us rank for Spanish keywords. So now for their second bullet point, or our second generic keywords, and again, the customers can't see this. So this is just for Amazon's data to know, okay, this is what your product is, this is related to your product, and help you rank for that. So we've got 1, 2, and then you're gonna do the same. So now we're gonna look at another competitor and then do the same and another competitor. After we implement all of these keywords, what we're going to do is remove the duplicates. You don't wanna have woman 10 times, woman, 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 woman's, woman. We don't wanna have too many duplicates. So you're gonna come back, clean up those, make sure there's no duplicates, add some extra, and go from there. If you have some good competitors, you're gonna see there's a lot of keywords here that we could do. Acne, Viagra instead of Viagra, you could do Viagra. And that you're allowed to do that because that's not a prescription pill, because it's misspelled, right? So if you do misspellings, that does work as well. So there's a lot. Wet, circulation, and this is going to help you rank on the back end of Amazon. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to the channel, because that's not only going to help me, but it's going to help you in your Amazon journey, since we've been launching a lot more tools and we stay up to date and keep you up to date in Amazon's tools. If you want us to create a video for you, drop a comment with an idea and we'll create that video for you. And of course, if you need help selling on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. It's also in the description. What we do is we can help you with not only Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and Etsy, and we do have your own personal trained consultant that's going to help you call Amazon, gain traction, increase your sales, design photos, and more, and that's called our monthly full service management. So contact about that or anything else related to Amazon and we'll help you. Josh Hackett signing out.